Hi guys, welcome back to my shop. Today I'm going to show you how I make these really cool ring holders. You can sell them on fairs, markets, and they're a really good, easy project to do. So I've got this scrap of hardwood and I've got this piece of pallet wood. This is actually the same thickness as this, so that's really good. So I'm just going to draw a line here. So I'm just going to put it up against the piece of wood, get my pencil and draw a line. And then with the line which I just drew, I'm going to draw another line off that line. And now I've got these two lines, and now I'm going to get my square and put it up against the side, and then just draw a line across. Now here, that's where I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut here and here, though there is a line here, it's just a bit faint, and then I'm going to cut across here. So I'm just going to cut that. Okay, so now I've cut these two pieces. Let's go back up to the bench. Okay, so now I'm just going to get this and glue it up like this, so it looks like this. So I'll just get my glue. I'm just going to get my clamps. These are just two Craft-Rite clamps. And another Craft-Rite clamp. Just going to get a piece of paper so the glue doesn't get on my bench. Okay, so now I'm just gotta let that dry for a while. It says here that clamp 30 minutes for softwood, so I'll come back in about an hour or an hour and 13 minutes because it says 25 hours for, it says don't stress joint for 25 hours, so I'm going to probably be stressing the joint. So actually I think I'll come back tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so this is the next day. So I'm just going to take the clamps off here. Okay, now I'm just going to remove the paper and the access glue and things with a chisel. Okay, so I've removed the stuff here. It looks a lot better than it looked like before. Now I'm just going to give it a sand. Okay, so it's looking really quite nice now. Now I'm just going to get my ruler. Okay, so now you just measure in. Um, 1.5. Now I'm just going to draw a line across. Okay, so now there's that line on a cut across here. Okay, let's go back up to the bench. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Now we're just going to make the now we're just going to measure in a few millimeters into here and then just cut it across here and here because it's a bit too long. So I'll just do that. Okay, so it's starting to look really nice now. Now I'm just going to drill the hole. Okay, so now it's time for the joke. Just remember to put it down in the comments if you like the joke or not. So let's take out a joke. Okay, I'm taking out this one. Did you hear about the woodworker who died when he fell into a vat of finish? It was a terrible end, but a beautiful finish. Leave it down in the comments if you like this joke or not, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.